Hello YouTube. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is it Met shirt? Normally I'm wearing a polo shirt. The answer is normally I have school and it would be my uniform. But today I'm sick and I decided even though I'm sick, I'm not going to decide to not do a video for you. I'm doing a nerf video on getting some nerf guns prepared and a review. This is the nerf Jolt. Now this might look, this is a pistol. For a pistol, it shoots far. You know how far this thing will shoot? It shoots real far. Now I'm not gonna actually shoot it, but actually I think I will. Yeah, you saw the shot. Take this bullet, put it in my bin now. I have a whole bin of bullets. Over 100 bullets. There's 114 bullets in there. Here's a Jolt. Now this is actually the Zombie Strike series. I got this in a set. It came with targets, and it came with this Zombie Strike Jolt. As you can see, it says Zombie Strike right here. Okay. So, whatever I have it there for, I like to have this thing. Fits in your pocket, fits in your belt, whatever you want to do with it. Good gun. I do recommend this. You could get a pack of this with 4, but it's not this. It won't be the Zombie Strike series. It'll be 4. 2 blues and 2 orange. Yeah. That's amazing. So, that's pretty much it for that gun. Now I'm going to go to this gun. Now, as you know, there's not going to be any bullets in these guns unless I put them in to show you how well it shoots. So this shoots pretty good distance. The Jolt, though, shoots a little bit further. It's not that big of a difference. If you want a big gun that hits a lot more, I would recommend this, but otherwise the Jolt's a little bit better than this. And plus, this is a very heavy gun. If you just want to keep on shooting like that, you would have to hold the bottom to be able to be pretty uncomfortable. You have to load, hold, and shoot. It's not actually a good gun. And I'll put a bullet in. And I'll shoot. Pretty good dart. So the darts are also very good for these guns. I like the Nerf darts. They're very good. There's guns that have darts like that. I tried those darts with Nerf guns. It shoots a lot worse. It doesn't always come out. And here's this gun. This is a Retaliator, and this is actually 3-in-1 set. So it comes with this stock that you can remove. And this is one way you could have it, or with the stock, that's another way. Or you could have it, like this is actually a 4-in-1 way. You could just have it like this if you want. Or you could have it with this thing off. That's another way. I would recommend with this on if you're having it. So I'm gonna put it together the full way. You need to attach it on, and then the stock goes on like this. And there you have it. Nice gun. And this gun actually came with a 12 dart clip. You can see 12 dart clip. And yeah, nice gun. And it says 12 over here. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 12. You can't see it, I know. And yeah, that's another gun. Oh, and by the way, if you get a gun like this and you don't know how to take the clip out afterwards, what you do is pull the loading thing back and don't bring it back forward. And you see these knobs? Release that and it'll fall out. So that's that gun, and here's another gun. This is a Nerf Rampage Sonic Ice series. Now, this one's a lot easier to cock, and I would recommend it for you. Really would. And you know what's cool about it? You see this gun? You see the stock here? You could take the stock off, and there's a thing, and you could attach it onto this gun and have a stock for this. But I like to stick with the original ways that it comes with. And yeah, so I do recommend this gun. This is a very good gun. It shoots further than this, has 25 darts, shoots 22 miles. I measured. That is good. Pew, 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 pew. And now to look at the drum that it comes with. Sorry about that, the camera fell. So the drum that it comes with holds 25 darts. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Here's says 25 darts right there. And yeah, pretty good gun. It's a pretty good stick. It's a pretty good drum. Sometimes when you're putting it in, if you keep on moving, it'll get jammed and it won't go like on the top. It'll be like that. What you do is you see this little black knob, just turn it like that, and it'll get it unstuck. You push it and spin it, and that's how it works. So let me I'm gonna try demonstrating for you. So you put in a bullet. I'm gonna try to. It doesn't really go when you try to make it go, except sometimes it gets really slidey like that. You could just slide it out. So we would do the same thing just to tighten it, except the other direction. And it still slides out, which is a problem, so you could just jam that in there and keep on pushing. And I'm going to try a different bullet sliding. Like this one. It slides. I think that's one of the problems of this. You just do the knob and now it's more tight. I'm not going to play with it right now. And sorry again. Fell again. And that's pretty much it except for this. My bullets. Now this is a handful of bullets. I'm selling some. I'm giving away some of these bullets. So if you want a few of them, leave your craziest comment below, and I'm gonna do a raffle. And you're gonna have to write your address and zip code, and you know when you're mailing something, who you're mailing it to. So write your stuff, and then if you win, I'll mail it to you. Got it? Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. See you later. Peace. Bye.